Okay, today is Thursday, November 14th, 2024, and I'm finished putting the 5 yards of dirt in the raised garden beds with some hay on top. I'll have to get a little more dirt, do that in the spring. But anyway, the mound is gone. I'm hoping that's where the firewood's going to be delivered, at least one cord of it. I'll get out of the sun. Okay. All right. Hey, you can see the greenhouse. Getting a little sun. And there is the raised garden bed. It's in a good spot. The sun will get that, but not all that much. So, in any event, put the straw on top of the garden mix, and then in the spring when I get more dirt, I'll just put, I won't need that much, nothing like 5 yards. I'll put it on top of that and then plant. So, it's done. And that'll be more than enough planting for me. Probably put in tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers and some herbs, cauliflower, broccoli, maybe even some potatoes, even though I don't really eat them. And that's that. I'm hoping in the next week or two that door is going to be replaced, and the T111 that I have up around the other side that's sitting on the picnic table is going to be put in as well. And at the same time, I have to fix this with the deck. You can see those boards are not right. Actually, that has to be raised a little, which I have the jacks to do. And when the guy does the door and the T111, I might do the T111, and I'll obviously help him with the door too. So that'll be that. And you can see the bird feeders, which I have to fill up again. So I'm happy that it's finished. This will be like a little bullseye for the guy to dump the at least one cord. So I'll have one cord there, and I'll be able to bring it in, because I like to have that inside, which I have one of those racks for, actually 2 of them. So this way, when there's 3 feet of snow on the ground, I can just go downstairs and bring it up. So that's that. I'm really happy with the way it all turned out, and upward and onward. Okay, until next time, God bless.